Namaskar to my dear friends. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to ask students to upload a PDF file by their names through Google Forms. So in previous unit test, we have asked students to give their answers PDF through WhatsApp. But that was a little bit hectic process. Your phone will be engaged for particular time for that day whenever exam was there. So I thought there is one option we can use to ask students to upload their file in that particular location, and from there only we can access the number of files with their names. So one column will be their name, so by their name the file will be stored in that particular Google Drive. So this option is there. We can do these things by using Google Forms. So how we can ask students to upload their file and how we can prepare the Google form, that I will demonstrate in this video. So I, Sanjay Parmar, welcome you all on my channel Tutorial AICS IP. So let's begin. First of all, we have to open this Google Drive. As you know how to open Google Drive or how to open Google Forms. But till those who don't know how to do that, once again, open a Chrome browser, then open Google. After that, click on this 9 dots, then find out Drive option. Now when you click on Drive option, you will get screen something like this. Simply you click on New, then Google Forms. Here blank form will be available. So click on this blank form. Now number of classes you teach, number of forms you can prepare. So that folder will be created separately and you can get response from those particular class. So that is better thing. Otherwise in WhatsApp, you know how much efforts WhatsApp required, because first you have to collect the files. Some of the students are sending their files, some of the students are sending their files, it is not complete, then you have to contact them and those all. Although we have to check here also students have sent the complete file or not, but one burden will be reduced, that is your mobile engagement. Here your mobile engagement will be very less. You can check after some time. So those all answers will be stored into Google Drive automatically. The folder will be created and the file will be available to your Google Drive. So that how to check that also I will show you. But first you watch this part completely. After that you see that how to save this in your Drive folder. Now untitled form. So here you can write the part or the form name. Suppose I am collecting answers of class 10. So PDF answers class 10. This I have written, or in this manner. Form description. Here you can provide instructions for the students how to upload if you wish. Otherwise, whatever you want to type, you can type. Just I am writing here, dear students, upload your answers PDF by this form. If you want to specify the steps, then also you can write like this. Steps 1. Write your full name. Full name, because sometimes same name students are there in a class, then it will be difficult for us to identify. That's why they can write their full name. Like in class 9th we have Ayush Singh, so that we cannot identify, although we can identify by their writings, but till they will write their full name. Second part, click on add file option. That option will add it to your form when you complete this procedure. So click on add file option and select the PDF. Then third and final step is click on submit. So here instructions are over. Now after that untitled question, in first column you just write field name. So the first field name is student's name. So your name, then it will be compulsory. After that, this is the most important task. Here what you have to do, here we are asking a file. So select file upload options from here. So you will get this thing, file upload. So select that option. After that, it will give you this message. Let me correct this one. M was removed from here. Okay. Sorry for the interruption. Now here see, let respondents upload files to Drive. So this option is there that will allow to upload file on this form by students. So here it is given files will be uploaded to the form owner's Google Drive. Respondents will be required to sign in Google when the file upload questions are added to a form. Make sure to only share this form with people you trust. So click on continue. Now here add message, whatever message you want to give. So I just want to write upload file here. So they will get the option. After that, select this option, allow only specific file types, then select PDF or image. If somebody wants to upload image, then they can upload image as well. So if images are there, that is not fixed how many images they will upload. So sometimes it is very difficult. So that's why I remove this click. Otherwise you can allow this also. Then all images they have to select. In that case, you have to allow multiple files here, 1, 5, 10 like that. So that number of pages they can upload. But PDF is good option. So they will scan the answers in PDF form and then they will upload. The maximum file size, that will be what is the maximum file size that you can allow as per your choice. But 100 MB is sufficient, I think, because if they are writing more pages, then those pages will be also scanned in one PDF and that file can be uploaded over here. So that should be 100 MB. So I have selected 100 MB. Then this form can accept up to 1 GB of files. So right now the storage limit of this form is 1 GB. But if you want to change this, you can change as per your choice. So here just I am changing. Just click on change. Change link is there. Then click on this option as well. Limit to 1 response. Otherwise they will upload more and more files. Then click on this option, collect email address. So this 2 fields should be enabled. After that, maximum size of all files uploaded. So all files, that should be just I am allowing 100 GB suppose. So in this form you can upload up to 100 GB files. Click on save. So like that you can select maximum 10 GB as well. 10 GB are sufficient for this purpose. Then click on this required. So now the form is ready. One more time check the settings before sending the link. So this setting is okay. After that, presentation, show progress bar, if it is required you can give, otherwise it is okay. Here you can write the message. Suppose I am writing the message, your PDF has been uploaded, or you can write file uploaded successfully, whatever you want to write. Quizzes, if you want to give something here, it is not required at this point, so that is not compulsory. Just click on save. Now the form is ready. Now here we have to click on send and then click on this link. So here you will get the long link, but click on this shorten URL. So you will get very short link like this. So that will not fill the entire screen whenever you are sending message or something. So this you need to copy. So copy that, and after that you share this link through WhatsApp. If you want to share this through WhatsApp, how you can share this link? Either you can copy this thing in Google Form document, or simply we can write email also for saving. So just I am opening Gmail, and here click on compose. Let it be open. Click on compose and then just paste over here, and that's it. So it will be coming to your draft folder. So whenever you want to open from your mobile, it will be open from mobile. Just to log in with your Gmail account, or if it is already login, then you can open from your draft. See, here it is already available. So from mobile you can simply access this file. So I hope you understood this concept, and you will implement this concept in half yearly examination. Till the traditional approach is also okay. If you want to ask student to send their response through WhatsApp, that is also accepted. But this is one thing which reduce our work and our efforts, and that can be utilized in correction and evaluation time. So that's why I have made this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends, or implement this part as a part of your work. Thank you very much for watching this video.